Hi, this is SMT Machinery, Cindy again. I'm now presenting you a very good 52-meter Zoomlion on Mercedes. This 52-meter Zoomlion on 3-axle Mercedes. This driver mileage is only like 40,000 kilometers, and the working hours is only 1,300. All the tires are of original Michelin tires, never changed, and this aluminum alloy working platform remains very good shape and condition, never touched, never cracked, and all the paintings of this pump keeps original, never make new painting, and the hopper maintains good original condition. We never change. For good concrete pumps, always comes to me, SMT Machinery.